Do you wear a mask? Masks should not be mandatory. It should be a choice for yourself and or your family members. Our world has been turned upside down in the year 2020. Everything has changed. Mandates have been ordered, stores and jobs have been shut down, and all due to COVID-19. COVID-19 is a strain of coronavirus that has been previously identified in humans. It is a respiratory illness. For the state of Kentucky, our governor has taken control over these past few months, making it mandatory for those 5 and up to wear a mask, unless you have underlying health issues that prevent you from wearing one. This means wearing a mask in all businesses, in all public places such as parks, and anywhere you can't socially distance, such as your home, if you have company over. He has also mandated at times for no more than 10 people at gatherings, as long as you continue to wear your mask or social distance. Some of you are probably thinking, Andy's doing the right thing. He's trying to keep Kentuckians safe. The masks are helping prevent the spread of the coronavirus. But have you really looked at the number of cases and deaths in Kentucky? Have you really read the CDC guidelines on ways to prevent the spread of the virus? Have you done your research, or are you just following what everybody else is doing or what the governor is telling you to do? If you follow the CDC guidelines, there's a different outcome on who should be wearing masks than you think. I have an old coworker of mine who I still keep in touch with, and her family got the virus 3 weeks ago. On her discharge papers after getting tested has CDC guidelines, which she shared with me, and I think you'll be a little surprised on what it says when it comes to wearing masks. It says exactly this: follow CDC's recommendations for using a mask. CDC does not recommend that people who are well to wear a mask to protect themselves from respiratory disease, including COVID-19. But it does say this: face masks should be used by people who show symptoms of COVID-19 to help spread of the disease to others. The use of face masks is also crucial for health workers and people who are taking care of someone in close settings. Let that sink in a little bit. Yeah, I was just as shocked as you were after reading this. This is information directly from the CDC. They are giving these forms to doctors' offices and hospitals to hand out to those who get tested, whether they're testing negative or positive. This is a complete opposite of what is being mandated. We're being told everyone has to wear a mask or you get kicked out of a store. You know the old saying, no shoes, no shirt, no service? Well, now it's mask too. But then what's next? Are we just going to keep letting this get in the way of our lives? Every 30 days, we're told that there's a mandate that will last 30 days. And then that 30 days is up, and here we go another 30 days. This has been going on since July. We have been mandated to continue to wear masks since July. But here's what the numbers show. In July, there was an average of 500 cases per day in the whole state of Kentucky. But in November, there was an average of 2,000 cases per day. If masks were preventing the spread of the virus, then why is our numbers going up so much higher every day? I understand there's still a lot of unknowns with this virus, but one thing we do know is the numbers don't lie. I'm a mother of 2 girls. I have a 1-year-old and a 5-year-old. Do you have kids at home? Nieces, nephews, cousins? Are they 5 and under? If you had to go out in public and they couldn't wear a mask but you were mandated to, how would you feel? The way I see it is my kids can't stay sheltered 24/7 at home. So we venture out like a normal household to go get groceries, household appliances. We've been Christmas shopping, and I don't wear a mask. If my kids don't have to, I don't. I just see it as there are so many other ways to prevent this virus from spreading, and I don't and the numbers are showing that masks aren't working. So, do I believe that healthcare workers working in close contact with patients should wear a mask? Yes, I do believe that. But what I do believe is that everyone in Kentucky, it should not be a mandate to wear a mask. It should be a choice.